So now I'm formatting everything properly. The thing is, if you're at San Diego State or if you're at some other university, you're going to notice something that's probably problematic to you, which I've already fixed. If you go into Set Document Preferences, it's going to show you various styles of citations that you can use. Cool. Footnotes, endnotes, whatever. You may not have that one in there that you're looking for. For instance, I wanted Turabian, but Turabian wasn't in there in the beginning. I'm going to get out of there. So if you don't have one of them that's there, if you're looking for something and you can't find it, what you can do is you can look for Bibliographic Styles here. So I'm going to click Bibliographic Styles and it'll open up in a new tab here. And then all these styles are listed. So if you need to have an updated version of something, I'm going to hit Apple F here to search down below. Bian, Turabian. Perfect. Turabian is what I wanted. I click it, install. Update existing. No, I already have it installed. I don't need it. Point is, any style you want, click on it and you can install it. And now it'll appear in your menu. If you go to Set Document Preferences, boom, there's my Turabian. Now, maybe I don't like this style. Here I'm doing footnotes. Maybe I want endnotes. Maybe I want some other style. Well, I can click that, go in here, and I can change my style that way. Endnotes, boom, and it puts it into the proper format. Now I have endnote capable notes here. No, I don't actually want that, so I'm going to go switch it back. Footnotes. Okay. That's how I'm typically doing things. Now, there's another thing here. When you actually start using it and adding stuff to it, you may not get things exactly as you like. So now I'm going to show you how to fix that. This seems maybe a little out of order, but the main idea was I wanted to show you what it could do first so you'd want to use it. And then I'll show you how to fix a few things and add a few things to customize it to whatever style of citation you're using and to little problems you might run into when you're grabbing the citations. So I'm going to go to a page. Here I'm going to Amazon.com and find some book I wanted. I wanted Fred Laerdal's Generative Theory of Tonal Music. So I click on that. I have all this information down there. I can hit Zoltero and pop up this menu for all my stuff. And if you notice, if you hover over things, it'll tell you what to do. Actions, import, export, all kinds of junks here. Okay. Next, what is this thing? New item. Okay. So I can decide that I want to just tell what type of item I want and then manually create it. We're going to try to do as little manual stuff as possible. Create new item from current page. That sounds good. Let's try that. Now look what it did here. Amazon, a generative theory of tonal music. Click on here. Well, it found the web page I want. And it did find the book. Let's see what that actually looks like. Now if I went here and I said something new about a different book called Gen Music, and I did the citation yet again, I could click here. Well, it's a web page, so look what it does here though. Amazon.com, generative theory, tonal music, yada yada. It tells me where I got it from and when it was accessed. That's something you'd need to do if you were citing a web page, but I don't actually want to do that. Didn't actually find things in the manner I was expecting. I want to still have it find the book. So I'm going to go back there. I'm going to delete this. Yes, I want to delete it. And instead, I'm going to use another method. I'm going to double click on the 10-digit ISBN, Apple C to copy it, or edit, copy, either way. Then I go over here to add item by identifier. I'm going to Apple V or Control V, Windows, yeah, and paste in the ISBN number. Boom. Now it's added it as a book. Generative Theory of Tonal Music. One little problem here, though. The author is actually Fred Laerdal. And Fred Laerdal worked with this guy, Ray Jackendoff, who's a linguist. So we really want to have different information here. You can just click on it. I'm going to double click Laerdal and paste it in there. Then I'm going to go to Ray and type in Fred abstract. So you can add all kinds of great stuff in here. Another thing here, I want this in caps here. A generative theory. So that's not too nice. It could fix some of those things. You might have to do a tiny bit of manual work of tonal music. Okay, what else? Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT Press. Okay, all that looks good. Good, so we have Laerdal. And now we're going to go back to a Word document. Something about Gen Music. Now, when we add it in here, double click and type in our page number, boom, it creates a new citation for us. Fred Laerdal, Generative Theory of Music, Tonal Music, Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT Press, and page number, fantastic. And if I did a new thing with IBID style, then I just go add another one in there, click it, and it throws my IBID for me. So now you've seen that you can do formatting in your pages. You can, anytime you want, click and change your preferences to have it a different citation format. I've showed you how you can edit it a bit on the web. So if you screw something up, or if you don't get exactly the right capitalization or something like that on your book or your reference, you can change that. And then I've showed you how you can insert it by doing this Apple Shift A thing. That's it. I hope you were able to get something out of this and not have to spend a lot of money. Have a free program that really helps you do your research.